Eli, the baby elephant, woke up to silence. His mother was gone. The jungle felt big, cold, and strange. Trees swayed, shadows moved, and he was all alone. He wandered through tall grass, climbed over rocks, and crossed a stream. His legs were tired, but he didn't stop. He passed monkeys, birds, and even a tiger, but he only wanted one thing: his mother. Rain began to fall. Eli curled up under a tree, scared and shivering. Then, a familiar scent filled the air. He looked up, and there she was, his mother. She wrapped her trunk around him, and in that moment, Eli felt whole again.